Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the jack socket, the headphone jack, on the Lenovo Tab M8 tablet. To thoroughly clean the headphone jack, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol. You can't do it without it. And a round brush like this, with bristles that get wider along its length, about 3 centimeters long, that's the length of the brush. Of course, the device must be completely turned off. If you haven't turned it off, you need to do so, because otherwise you simply don't clean devices. Otherwise, you could damage it. Thoroughly soak the brush with alcohol. First, carefully take the tablet in your hand. Right here is where our headphone jack is located on the device. Now gently insert the cleaning brush as far as it will possibly go into the port, and then proceed to turn it to the right 5 full times, followed by turning it back to the left 5 more times. And then pull out the brush. Repeat this entire motion 5 times, which means a total of 25 times in each direction. But remember, after every 5 turns, you take the brush out, so that if there's any dirt or debris, it comes out with the brush. If the brush just catches it. And if there's no debris in there, the isopropyl alcohol will perfectly clean the contacts, and we'll have a socket as good as new. But it has to be this kind of brush. No other type will fit. So if you simply don't have this kind of brush, unfortunately there's nothing you can do. So it has to be this kind of brush. We insert it. So, as I said, you should get yourself a set with this kind of brush, a diffuser like this, and isopropyl alcohol is a must. After the whole procedure, set the device aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate from the socket, and then you can turn the tablet on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions. And see you in my next video.